We will now start part 2 on my refurbishing video, is the second part, which is also known as the middle part of my elevator fixture. So, let's get started now. Alright guys, now we finally started part 2, and we're going to do this row right here of my elevator refurbishment. And my TX30 is charging its battery since I've used all the batteries. And before we start it, let's first take a look at the time and date. Alright, now I'm going to put the phone back onto the table, and we're going to plug this charger inside so this camera could focus on. I'm going to plug it right here. And now we're going to put my camcorder here on the tripod. So let's get started on our second project. See, this right here is my elevator thing, and we're going to hook up the lights. We're going to light up the fixtures after we finish the refurbishment. So we're now going to do part 2. There's like five parts on this row right here, and these things are already unplugged. Make sure the battery is not hot. No, it's not. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the camcorder on the tripod, and we'll get started. If I could find it. Oh, it's right here. Sorry for all the shakiness. All right. Okay, we got it on, and now we will get started on part 2. And over there, we got all these. We got all these materials over there, and we will now get started now. So let's do the second part, and we're gonna do from here all the way to here. And I will be stopping the camera as well on some of these videos here. And so, yeah, we're going to get started on this one. And I'm going to move the camera up just a little bit so y'all can see it. I don't know how. Let's see, how do I move the camera up a little? Oh, I probably can't. Nope. That's not going to work. Let's see something. Nope, I don't think so. Well, whatever. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to unscrew these parts right here. As long as we can see it, and that is fine. There it is. And now we're going to use some scissors to, I think. Hold on, let me adjust the tripod a little bit more. There we go. Alright, where's my screw? Alright, what happened to my screw? It used to be there. Alright, I wonder what happened to my screw. Oh, it's right here. Okay. Alright, we got the screw. And I'm going to show you, this is a screw right here, the screwdriver, and now we will unscrew this elevator part right here. Alright, I'm going to move over here so y'all can see it through the camera. I'm going to move the tripod a little bit more. Whoa! I'm sorry about all those camera movements, but hopefully you get to see it right there. Oh yeah, that is better now. Okay, so we're going to unscrew it counterclockwise. Screw it counterclockwise. Not sure why these are falling, but we'll fix those later. And we're gonna unscrew this part as well. No, the light is, I'm sorry about blocking the light, but I'm going to unscrew this out. And hopefully it's not going to be as bad like it was in the first part. So what we're going to do is we're going to take one of these bulbs out. And here is the bulb right here. This is the bulb right here. And let me zoom out so I can show you how to plug it in. Alright, so what we're going to do, show you how to bent it. Once again, this is the top one is bigger. I mean, the left one is the positive, which is bigger, and the right one is the negative, which is smaller. So what we're going to do now is we're going to bend it. We're going to bend the other one. Alright, now I guess that should work. Hopefully, yeah, alright, that should focus well. And now we're going to screw it on. So we're going to plug this inside that we're gonna plug it. I'm gonna plug it right up here so it doesn't fall like it did last time. Sorry about that, guys. Alright, now it's in, and what we're gonna do is we're going to tie it up. What happened to the other one? Oh, it's the actually the other way. My bad. What was I thinking? It actually goes like this, and we all know this is right, so we'll plug it in. Alright, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna carefully plug this in. Alright, now I'm gonna take the screw and close her up. Hopefully I'm not going to bump over the camera so many times, because that would not be good if I did. Alright, if I could find it. Alright, there it is. So what we're going to do is we're going to screw it back on. And we're going to hold it down so it doesn't fall apart. So let's screw it clockwise. Hopefully that should stay. Oh no, I think it's about to fall apart again. Oh god, this is another tough one I've ever did before. Actually, no, I think it's alright. If it is, then I'll just screw it a little bit more. There we go. Alright, is it tight? Alright, hopefully it is. Should be tight. Yeah, I think that's pretty correct now. Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to unscrew the right one out. Alright, now this comes out. And what we're going to do next is we're going to shove it inside, and we will put it back to where it came from. Andrew, I hope you're seeing this. And now we will tie it back in. This is, my god, this is really hard. Hold on a second, let me see something here. Okay, now we're going to put it back in. This is so tough. Oh my goodness, this is really tough. I'm putting it inside. Let me put it on the bottom, I think. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to stop the camera. So yeah, I'm gonna have to stop the camera, and I'll come back later. All right, I just finally I finally got it fixed now. Just finally fixed it up. Okay, so now what we're going to do next is we're going to move to the other side. And yes, it's going to be, I'm going to have to keep stopping the camera like for on every single project because it's really hard fixing it on camera. But anyways, we will now unscrew this part out. So, and the battery is not hot anymore. And we will not worry about the lights. We're just going to be worrying about on the project only. So, what we're going to do now is we're going to take out another piece of light. A few of them fell out. Alright, let me zoom out so you can see it. And I'm going to cover the background. And we all know the front. We all know the longer leg is positive and the shorter leg is negative. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to zoom the camera back in. Make sure this is right, and yes, it is. So what we'll do now is we will unscrew this. We will now unscrew it. Sorry about this camera movements, but anyways, here we go. We'll turn it counterclockwise. I'm gonna open this part out. Alright, it should come out. There we go. Alright, we will now squirt that out. And what I'm gonna bend it this time, or actually I'll bend it on camera. Hopefully this should stay, yeah, now it's focused. We're gonna bend the right one, and then the left one. And how's that? Let's make sure this is right. You know, I think, well, let me see, I think I messed up. Let me see something. The right one, the shorter one. Yep, I think I got it now. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to plug this right screw inside. Alright, now we screwed it in. We screwed it inside. And now we're going to plug it back inside and I might be able to screw it back on camera, but I don't know. Well, I think I did that before. Let me zoom back in. Alright, zoom back in, and we will make sure this, I'm not looking through the camera. Alright, got it in. Just got it inside, and now I have to find the screw. Oh, it's right underneath my arm. Okay, so I guess this holds very well. So what we'll do now is we'll screw it back on camera. Once again, hold it down. You have to hold this thing down so it doesn't fall apart. Now we'll close her up. Turn it clockwise, and it should be closed. Tighten up. Oh, this is hard. Alright, now this is shut. Yep, I got it shut. Now we will unscrew the other part and plug it in. Get comfortable. And we will unscrew the other part out. Counterclockwise. And I think I got it inside, I don't know. Sorry for blocking the light. Alright, now I got it out. And yes, it's going to be another long video. What we will now do is we're going to plug this in. I should be fine on this one because I've done it before. Alright, now it's inside. Hold on a second. Alright, now I'm going to stick it inside. I don't know why it's doing that. This is really hard. Okay, I know I'm going to be covering the background a little because I'm not looking through the camera. We're going to stick it in. Let me find my screw. Hold on. I'll put it right here so where I can find it. Zoom in a little more. Hopefully I won't zoom in too much or else the camera will lose the focus. I don't know why is it coming off. If it keeps doing that, I'll stop the camera again. I should get it this time. Yeah, this is Andrew. This is by far the most hardest project I've ever done. And once again, you might be able to, you would laugh if I seen this video. Well, if it drops out again, then I'm gonna stop the camera and come back later. I'm gonna have to keep stopping the camera like multiple times for every single pieces I fix. I think I just got it. Yep. Now I'm gonna take the screw. I'm gonna push it. I'm gonna hold it down so it doesn't fall out. And I'm gonna hold this part down, and we'll close her up. Alright, I think I got it. I'm gonna have to yep, I'm gonna have to hold it down so it doesn't fall apart. I think I have to redo it again. Alright, now alright, bit it inside. And I think I pretty much got it now. Yep. It worked! I got it now! Andrew, what would you think about that? I know you're going to like it, Andrew. You'll be happy with it. Alright, now we're going to do the third one. And here's the fourth, and here's the last. Now we're going to do the third one. Okay, so I have another light fixture here. Another light fixture here. See that right here? I'm going to show it on camera. Another light fixture, and let me... Sorry for getting it too close. Once this will focus, the upper one is the positive and the lower one is the negative. Okay, now we got that right. We will unscrew the screws. Make sure this is in the correct precision. I think. Oh. Where is it? Oh, here it is. I didn't even see it close enough. Alright, got it. Now, we're going to open it up. Alright, I'm going to take the screw out. Put the screwdriver down. And what we're going to do is I'm going to bend it this time. I'm not going to show it on camera because you've already seen me do that multiple times. Okay, now this is bent. I'm going to show it on camera. Now we will plug the screw inside the light and okay, and now we're going to stick it inside here and what the heck was that? That was an emergency alert. That was not my phone. That was really annoying. But if it does that again, I'll just talk over it, because it's very annoying for everybody who watches this video. Okay, we will now screw it. Make sure this doesn't fall. I'm not going to keep moving my finger, because I could cause it to fall off. Oop. Alright, now it's shut. Tighten up a little more. I'm going to move the camera just a little. Alright. Tighten up a little more. There we go. Now we're going to unscrew the other part out. I'm going to move that in. Okay, what we'll do now is we're going to unscrew the other part out. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, it's this part right here. What was I thinking? Oop, wrong way. Alright, this comes out, and we will screw these in. This comes inside, and we will plug it in. Alright, yeah, this is going to be really tough. Try to get inside the hole. Alright, now I gotta find that screw. Alright, we will now plug it inside. So now what we're going to do is we're going to hold this in and turn it clockwise. This wire should be in there. Yeah, there we go. Did it just fall out? No, it didn't. Good. Oh, it squeaked a little. Alright, and now we're going to do the fourth row right there. Now I'm going to move the tripod a little. Man, my butt's about to hurt. Alright, we got the other one, we got this one, and we're going to do this part right here. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to unscrew these parts, get another light fixture out. Adjust these. Alright, we are now going to unscrew it. Oop, just bumped something, sorry. Hopefully most of these buttons will light up, just for sure. Alright. Well, we'll now unscrew it. Oop, wrong way. And I'll unscrew the other part as well. Unscrew this part a little. And take the other screw out. Okay, so what we're going to do now is, let me see something real quick. Okay, now we got it. So we will do, oops, sorry. Focus. Ooh, almost moved the tripod. I'm sorry about all this long videos I'm doing. But here it is. We will now plug it in, the screw, and we will stick it inside. Alright, since this is in, I'm going to zoom out so the camcorder will focus. Alright, now it's... Ooh, I got a message. I think that was from Allison on... Facebook. Yeah, I'm going to answer that later. I have no time right now. I can't answer Facebook messages right now. I'm going to put it back in. And we'll find the screw. Yep, have it right here. And we'll screw it up. Turn it clockwise. Hold this thing down. Oh my god. That was my phone. I'll ignore that. I'll just talk over that buzzer sound. Oh my god, that's very annoying. Alright, now we tighten this up. Now we will unscrew. Let me try to get it inside. Now I'm actually going to unscrew it so it's easier. Oop. Okay, now we're going to plug this in right here. And we'll put it back. I'm sorry about covering the light once again. I don't know if this will work. But there we go. Now where's my screw? Oh, it's right here. Sorry about that. Sorry about the camera movement. And now we'll screw it up. Oh, that's counterclockwise. Hold this down. Alright, I think we got it in. Ooh, that scared me. Alright, let me double check. Ooh, I'll zoom in way too close. Alright, got it. Now, not but at least, we're going to do the last one, and I will end the video and check my messages, and I'll start again. Again! This is annoying. Yeah, I got Facebook messages. I'll do that later. Alright. We're going to finish up the last one, and I will end the video here. And that concludes part 2, which is the second, this is the second row right here. And the part 3 will be this row right here. Alright, now we're going to finish up this. Actually, part 4 will be the alarm, install the alarm light. But I don't know if I'm going to do that. But anyways, let's get focused on this one. Just for the heck of it, we'll get focused on this one. Take my screw. We're going to unscrew it right here on camera. And that will conclude the last. This will conclude the last part. And let me unscrew this. We're going to unscrew it right here on camera. Alright, now I'll take the screw out. And now we'll bring out the other light bulb, the tiny light, which is an enlightening item according to Andrew. This is an enlightening. Alright, got it out. Already got it out now. And we'll get one last view of the legs. See, like I said, this one is for the positive and this one's negative. Alright, so I will bend it. Alright, we will bend it now. We'll bend it down, and since this is all right, we will get started. Where's the other? Oh, it's right here on my leg. Okay, so what we're gonna do now? Oh, it's doing that on another phone. All right, we're gonna do is we're going to stick it inside there. All right, since this camera is focused, all right, we will now plug it inside the light. This light bulb and where is it? Inside there. All right, how am I gonna plug it in there? Alright, got it in. Now I gotta take my screw. I'm gonna hold this down so it's not gonna fall. Alright. We're going to screw this up. Hold it down. Oh, it's counterclockwise. Hopefully this is right. Gonna tighten this up a little. Ugh. My God, this is hurting my hand. And now we're gonna unscrew the other part out. Unscrew the other part out. I'm gonna talk over that background noise over there. And now we're going. I think we should. I think I should be fine with this one. Or should I just take it out and put it back in? Yeah, I think it's better to take it out. We'll take it out, and what we're gonna do is we're going to plug this inside. Sorry, I'm gonna have to talk over the background talk to my parents. And alright, sorry about the light. There it goes. Alright, now we're gonna plug it back in. We're gonna plug it back. Alright, we got it. Alright, where's that? Oh, right, here's that hole. I didn't see clear enough. Alright, we're going to alright, there we go. Okay, and we'll plug it down there. Let me find the screw. Oh, it's right here. Alright, now I'm gonna try to put this inside here. I have to redo it again. Oh, it just plugged it in. Oh, it just lost the focus. That was stupid. I should have not done that. It was my fault. And it did it again. Yeah, Andrew, this camera is acting up, kind of. Every time when I block my hand over, it does that. There we go. Let me take the screw. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, here, it's right here. Sorry, I'm just looking through the camera. No wonder I'm looking through the camera. Alright. Okay, there we go. Now I got it in. Now I'm going to hold this down and we'll screw it up. And hopefully it should be fixed. Yep. Now it is. I'm going to tighten this up. And oh boy, it's going to hurt my paws. Ah. Okay. We got it. Okay, so I'm guessing we're going to end the video here. So now we got... Alright, I'm going to take the camcorder off the tripod. Oh, sorry. Whew. Okay. Now, okay, now we got this. Now we got these two parts done, and we have 5 more left on the right row. So that's it for now, and thanks for watching. Tune in to part 3 coming up next. That's it.